how you can use ChatGPT and make money online as a complete beginner. Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So first of all, what is ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT is a type of language model developed by OpenAI. It is pre-trained on a massive amount of text data and can be fine-tuned for a variety of natural language processing tasks such as language translation, summarization, text generation, and question answering, among others. There is a version of GPT that is specifically designed for conversational applications called GPT-3. And one of the ways to interact with GPT-3 is through a chat interface. This is where the term ChatGPT comes in, where GPT-3 language model will be able to respond to text-based inputs in a conversational format. So, and now the more important subject that we will discuss is how you can make money online with ChatGPT. And what can you do if you are a beginner that looks for a way of how to make money online? But first, please don't forget to like this video if you think it was useful, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell and you will be notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to your questions and help you out as quickly as possible. Our first step is creating an account. You will need your email and your phone number, so you can go to your laptop, go to Google, and then you have to search for ChatGPT, just like this, not Pro. And then you have to go to openai.com and click on Try ChatGPT. I already created an account, but if you didn't, you just have to enter your email address, or you can just log in with your Google account. You will also need your phone number for a verification step. So now that we are here, what can we do? Just click here. As you can see, it's a super easy interface. If you want to open a new chat, here is the button from the left top corner. And now let's create a discussion with ChatGPT. And from here, I will show you how you can make money by using ChatGPT and how can make your work much more easier. Let's read these limitations, which may occasionally generate incorrect information, may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, and they also have limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So make sure to keep that in mind. So the question is, how you can make money with it? Well, the first method is with Amazon affiliate marketing. You can write product descriptions. So let's go on Amazon right now and let's choose a product. Let's go to home and kitchen. Now we can also go to kitchen tools and gadgets, and let's go here. Let's choose this product. You can now see that this item has a description, which is here. Well, people are paid for this description. Now, if we go here, you will see that this girl charges $59 per hour for excellent branding and messaging. Ina has fantastic ideas, great strategies, and she's a very professional and well versed in a style of writing that we need. She helped us develop the unique voice of our brand. Then I will craft you beautiful and original content, which is compelling, clear, concise. It's telling your story well, passionate about working with the clients. So ChatGPT will help us write a description for a product. Just like I said, go to your Amazon and copy the title. Go to ChatGPT and then paste it here and click enter. And now they are giving us an article for this product, which we can use to make money out of it. Now we can say, give me 5 bullet points about this product. Which is compelling, and clear for selling a product. Enter. And here we have our first bullet point, like it was on Amazon, like I showed you before. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are getting paid for this description right here. Now you can make an account on Amazon or AliExpress, and you can also make an account on Alibaba, and from there you just have to follow the steps for the business account and just copy paste this description, the bullet points and the description, and make money out of it. So guys, this is the first method of how you can make money with ChatGPT, how we can make your life easier, and how it can help you make money online easier and help you out. You don't have to waste your time, and don't worry, because I have other methods of how you can make money online with ChatGPT. So for that, please turn on the notification bell so you can be notified once I will post another method of how you can use ChatGPT in your favor and make money with it. And you can also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Like it if it was useful, and you can also comment in the comment section down below your questions about it, your thoughts, your problems, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.